Another glorious day here in Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. If you're just tuning in, I just want to show you some power we generating here. And since you guys are my subscribers, my friends, family, and everybody, I really thank you guys for watching my videos, commenting to my videos, and keep up with all the work I'm doing. Just want to show you the power we're cranking here right now. We've been doing this work, all upgrade, updates, all last year and up to this point, and now we are all the way back to spring. And because of that and all the work is now paid off, because we've seen this is the climax, or this is the level I was looking at getting, so I can have less resistance. I'm not gonna say zero resistance. It's always gonna be a little bit, but I eliminate all the most of the resistance on anything. I can upgrade the wires and everything, and get some decent solar panels, and you guys seen it all. So I don't want to elaborate too much on that, but I just want to show you these are the numbers. And today is kind of a nice day. Sun is out and we are making power. So because of these, I want to just I really appreciate you guys, being there for me and watching all my videos and keep me going, because if you guys don't watch, then it's not like being exciting for me making videos. But you guys' encouragement and all your awesome comments makes it the way it is right now. Thank you so much. And if you haven't been a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel, and mention that you're a newcomer. I'll go back and subscribe to your channel. We're all we're here for each other. So I just want to show you my appreciation and my production right here from the command center, jwsolarusa. Please subscribe, like, and share as we bringing you good stuff here from Minnesota. Thanks.